NASA's journey over the past 8 decades is a tale of relentless curiosity, groundbreaking innovation, and bold exploration that has reshaped humanity's understanding of the universe. Here's a narrative capturing its milestones. The dawn of space exploration, 1940s to 1950s. In 1958, at the height of the Cold War, the United States founded NASA to counter the Soviet Union's advancements in space. The organization inherited projects from its predecessor, the National Advisory Committee for Aeronautics, CGA, focusing on cutting-edge aeronautical research. Key achievements. Launch of Explorer 1, 1958, the first US satellite which discovered the Van Allen radiation belts. Development of early rockets, laying the foundation for human space exploration. The moonshot era, 1960s. The 1960s was marked by President John F. Kennedy's challenge to land a man on the moon. The Apollo program became NASA's hallmark achievement of the decade. Key achievements. Mercury and Gemini programs pioneered human spaceflight, orbital rendezvous, and extravehicular activity. Apollo 11, 1969, Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first humans to set foot on the moon, symbolizing human potential and inspiring generations. Innovating in orbit, 1970s, post-Apollo, NASA turned its focus to space stations, reusable spacecraft, and robotic exploration of the solar system. Key achievements: Skylab, the US first space station where astronauts conducted long-term space living experiments. Pioneer and Voyager probes. Voyager 1, 1977, became the first human-made object to enter interstellar space, carrying the iconic golden record. The shuttle era and planetary exploration, 1980s to 1990s. The Space Shuttle, introduced in 1981, became NASA's workhorse for deploying satellites, conducting scientific experiments, and building the International Space Station, ISS. Key achievements. Deployment of the Hubble Space Telescope, 1990, revolutionizing our view of the cosmos. Robotic missions to Mars, Pathfinder and its rover, Sojourner, offered the first mobile exploration of the Martian surface. Expanding horizons with the ISS and Mars rovers, 2000s, the 21st century saw NASA focusing on international collaboration and deeper exploration of Mars and beyond. Key achievements: construction and continuous operation of the International Space Station, ISS, a symbol of global unity. Mars rovers, including Spirit, Opportunity and Curiosity, revealed Mars as a potentially habitable world. Reaching for the stars, 2010s to 2020s. This era marked a resurgence in lunar exploration, preparations for human missions to Mars, and the study of exoplanets in the early universe. Key achievements: the James Webb Space Telescope, 2021, providing unparalleled views of distant galaxies and exoplanets. Mars exploration with Perseverance and Ingenuity, the first helicopter to fly on another planet. The Artemis program, aiming to return humans to the moon and establish a sustainable presence. Exploring beyond the solar system, 2020s and beyond. NASA continues to inspire with plans to explore beyond the solar system, leveraging advanced propulsion technologies and global partnerships. Future visions: the Europa Clipper mission, scheduled to investigate Jupiter's icy moon for signs of life. The development of the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope to study dark energy and exoplanets. Concepts for interstellar probes to follow Voyager's path, reaching new frontiers. A legacy of inspiration. NASA's journey is a testament to human ingenuity and the power of exploration. From walking on the moon to sending messages to the stars, NASA's work underscores humanity's eternal quest to understand our place in the cosmos. Each decade brings humanity closer to answering profound questions. Are we alone? What is the fate of our universe? And how can we expand our reach beyond the stars? Top 20 lessons for the young generation from NASA's journey. 1. Dream big and aim high. NASA's vision of landing on the moon and exploring Mars shows that no dream is too ambitious if backed by effort and planning. 2. Persistence pays off. Failures like the Apollo 1 tragedy or early Mars missions taught the value of resilience and perseverance. 3. Collaboration is key. NASA's partnerships with international agencies like ESA, JAXA, and private companies highlight the power of teamwork and global cooperation. 4. Learn from failures. Every failure, like the Challenger and Columbia disasters, provided valuable lessons that made future missions thrive. Never stop innovating. NASA's relentless pursuit of new technologies, from the Hubble telescope to the James Webb Space Telescope, shows the importance of continuous innovation. 6. Curiosity drives progress. Exploring the unknown is at NASA's core, inspiring us to remain curious and push boundaries in our fields. 7. Embrace challenges. Going to the Moon, Mars and beyond required solving complex problems, demonstrating the importance of facing challenges head-on. 8. Small steps lead to giant leaps. Neil Armstrong's iconic moon landing phrase reminds us that every small effort contributes to monumental achievements. 9. Knowledge is limitless. NASA's exploration of space reminds us that learning is a lifelong journey with no limits. 10. Harness the power of imagination. The concept of space travel once seemed like science fiction, but imagination turned it into reality. Be adaptable. From shifting goals post-Apollo to embracing private sector collaboration, NASA's adaptability shows how flexibility leads to success. 12. Protect your planet. NASA's Earth observation missions emphasize the need to safeguard our home planet. 13. Value teamwork. Astronauts on missions and scientists in labs achieve success through shared goals and collective effort. 14. Aim for sustainable progress. Projects like the ISS and Artemis program highlight the importance of sustainability for long-term success. 15. Appreciate diversity. NASA values diversity in its workforce and programs, proving that different perspectives lead to better missions. 16. Prepare for the unexpected. Space is unpredictable, and so is life. NASA's rigorous training teaches us to expect the unexpected and be ready. 17. Data is power. The precise calculations behind NASA's missions underscore the importance of data and analytics in decision-making. Inspire others. NASA's work inspires millions, reminding us of the impact our efforts can have on others. 19. Leave a legacy. From the Apollo moon landings to interstellar probes, NASA's achievements will be remembered for generations. 20. Reach for the stars. NASA's journey teaches us to push boundaries, defy limits, and always aim for the extraordinary. One question for the audience. What dream or challenge in your life feels as big as reaching the moon? And how will you take your first small step towards achieving it? Here are 20 fascinating facts about NASA's journey that highlight its incredible achievements and contributions to science, technology, and humanity. 1. The name NASA. NASA stands for National Aeronautics and Space Administration, established on July 29, 1958, replacing the National Advisory Committee for Aeronautics, NAA. 2. First U.S. satellite. NASA's first satellite, Explorer 1, discovered the Van Allen radiation belts, showcasing Earth's protective magnetic shield. Moon landing. The Apollo 11 mission in 1969 made Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin the first humans to walk on the moon. The moon's dust was so clingy it stuck to their spacesuits. For Golden Record. Voyager spacecrafts carry a golden record, a time capsule with Earth's sounds, images, and greetings in 55 languages for any intelligent extraterrestrials. 5. First reusable spacecraft. The Space Shuttle, launched in 1981, was the first reusable spacecraft, significantly reducing the cost of access to space. 6. The Hubble Space Telescope. Hubble, launched in 1990, has provided stunning images of distant galaxies, nebulae and stars, helping us understand the universe's age and expansion. 7. Mars rovers. NASA's Mars rovers, Spirit, Opportunity, Curiosity and Perseverance, have driven miles on Mars, uncovering evidence of ancient water and habitable conditions. 8. First helicopter on Mars. The Ingenuity helicopter, part of the Perseverance mission, became the first aircraft to fly on another planet in 2021. 9. James Webb Space Telescope. The James Webb Space Telescope, launched in 2021, is 100 times more powerful than Hubble, capable of looking back to the universe's early days. 10. Interstellar exploration. Voyager 1 and 2 are the only human-made objects to have entered interstellar space, travelling over 14 billion miles from Earth. 11. International Space Station, ISS. The ISS, a joint project with international partners, has hosted astronauts continuously since 2000, serving as a laboratory and proving ground for space living. 12. Artemis Program. NASA's Artemis program aims to return humans to the Moon by 2025, including the first woman and the first person of colour. 13. Exoplanet discoveries. NASA's Kepler Space Telescope discovered over 2,600 exoplanets, expanding our knowledge of potentially habitable worlds beyond our solar system. 14. Space probes. Probes like Cassini explored Saturn, and New Horizons flew by Pluto, capturing breathtaking images of these distant worlds. 15. Water on the Moon. NASA confirmed the presence of water on the Moon's surface in 2009, a discovery crucial for future lunar missions. 16. Climate research. NASA's Earth observation satellites provide critical data for understanding climate change, weather patterns, and natural disasters. 17. Innovations for everyday life. Technologies developed by NASA, such as memory foam, anti-scratch lenses, and water filters, have become everyday products. 18. The largest rocket. NASA's Saturn V rocket, used during the Apollo missions, remains the most powerful rocket ever built. 19. The Asteroid Redirect mission. NASA is testing planetary defense technologies, including missions like DART, to redirect asteroids that might pose a threat to Earth. 20. Humans on Mars. NASA plans to send humans to Mars by the late 2030s, building on lessons from the Moon and ISS for long-duration space missions. These facts demonstrate NASA's pivotal role in exploring the universe, advancing technology, and inspiring humanity to dream beyond.